the LG V20 user here, and today I'm in the video on the Samsung GALAXY A20 for Verizon Prepaid. So the GALAXY A20 is now here on Verizon's Prepaid service. If you guys are interested in a budget Samsung phone, the GALAXY A20 is worth looking at. So like I said, it's available now. It's available for $249.99. No contracts, of course. 32 gigabytes of storage, and it's available on black. There you guys see it. From a very nice one phone. I do like the wallpaper there. It does have a teardrop notch, your power button on the right side, so it's your volume button. I think it's some correct on the left side or the right side. Not really sure off the top of my head. Yeah, the GALAXY A20 is a decent budget phone. So let's go check out the GALAXY A20, shall we? So step up to the Samsung GALAXY A20 prepaid smartphone, designed for your everyday. It features a long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery and 32 gigabytes of built-in memory. Take breathtaking photos from 13 megapixel rear-facing camera and 8 megapixel front-facing cameras. Watch TV shows and videos come to life on a cinematic 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display. Verizon is your go-to destination for the hottest phones like the Samsung GALAXY A20, all on the nation's most awarded network. And of course, there's no contracts, of course, so it's prepaid. This one is also available on Verizon's Prepaid service as well. If you guys want to do that route, but if you guys don't want to pay an account, if you guys don't want to get that into a contract or nothing, the GALAXY A20 is available on Verizon's Prepaid for $249.99. Alright, so there you have it. The GALAXY A20 is 2.94 inches in width, 6.24 inches in height there. Like I said, 13 megapixel rear-facing camera, 8 megapixel front camera, so pretty good there. 33 hours of usage time, up to 13.6 days of standby time there, alright, so that's pretty nice. So you have 4,000 mAh battery, so you have a big ass battery in this phone. The battery is not removable, so do keep it in mind. It says long lasting battery. The Samsung GALAXY A20's 4,000 mAh battery lets you go up to 33 hours on a single charge, and it's fast charge capable, so you can fill up. You can fill back up and go and get out the door quicker. So this does have fast charge, so that is a win. Take a shot. Prepare for every occasion with a 13 megapixel rear-facing camera, featuring a 123 degrees ultra-wide lens for those big group shots. For those big group photos and landscape shots. Then swap to the 8 megapixel front-facing camera for grabbing worthy selfies at a moment's notice. You guys will notice there is 2 cameras on the back. There's a 13 megapixel main camera, and there's a 5 megapixel depth. There's a 13 megapixel main camera and 5 megapixel wide-angle camera on the back. So that is a one. So you do get dual cameras on the back. Also, fingerprint is on the back as well. Full display, catch every detail on a 6.4-inch screen that spans from edge to edge. A brilliant Super AMOLED display showcases your videos and photos with next level contrast and details. Alright. Room for more. Keep your favorite apps, videos, and photos on hand with 32 gigabytes of built-in memory, or add up to an additional 500 gigabytes using a micro SD card. That's room for up to 1,000. There's room for up to 100,000 photos. So that is a lot. So if you guys want to do that, take advantage of that. So there is no image right now. So that's why there's no image right here. So yeah. The specs on the GALAXY A20 here. Has 4,000 mAh battery, 0.31 inches depth. Screen is a edge-to-edge 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display. It's 720p HD plus. It's 720 by 1560 pixels. That's 269p there. Android Pie with 1 UI. The height of the phone is 6.24 inches. The Galaxy A20 weighs 5.96 ounces. The width of the phone is 2.94 inches. 13 megapixel main camera and a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera on back and 8 megapixel front facing camera. 32 hours of usage time. 13.6 days of standby time there. It's a roll device, so that means that you can use it in over 200 countries depending on what plan you have. It is LTE advanced, so you can use it. So with LTE advanced, you guys will get 50% faster pick speeds and more than 400 cities from coast to coast. It is also XLTE ready, doubling our 4G LTE bandwidth in cities from coast to coast. AC voice video calling, and AC voice and Wi-Fi calling as well. Processors is an Exynos 904 octa-core processor. Bluetooth 5.0, 3GB of RAM and 32GB of built-in memory, and up to 12GB of microSD card expansion. So if you guys need help with your Galaxy A20, Verizon needs to help with device support. So if you guys need to learn how to set up Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, even on this one, device support from Verizon can help you out with that. So check that if you guys need help with this one. And what you guys get in the box is the Galaxy A20 prepaid smartphone, pre-installed SIM card, 4,000 mAh battery, which is not removable, so it's embedded in the phone. Wall adapter USB cable, quick reference guide, and important consumer safety information. And yeah, that's also download the user manual if you guys would like. So there you guys have the Samsung GALAXY A20. Is now here on Verizon Prepaid for $249.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, or let me know what. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.